Bluetooth is one of those technologies we use every day, from wireless headphones to smartwatches. But how does it actually work? At its core, Bluetooth is just radio waves. Devices send and receive signals through the air using the 2.4 GHz band. That's a frequency range also used by Wi-Fi and even microwaves. But Bluetooth has a trick to avoid interference. It uses something called frequency hopping. Instead of staying on one channel, Bluetooth devices rapidly switch between over 70 different frequencies, hundreds of times per second. This makes the connection stable, even in a crowded environment. Another clever design is its low power use. Unlike Wi-Fi, which is built for high-speed data over longer distances, Bluetooth is optimized for short range. That's why it can run for days on a tiny battery inside earbuds or fitness trackers. So next time you connect your headphones or car speakers, remember, it's all thanks to a low-power radio signal, hopping frequencies at lightning speed. Got a question about the tech around you? Drop it in the comments. It could be our next breakdown.